Finally, Xavier's College Mumbai entrance exam registration for 2025 is open. Guys, this video is really important for all the students who wish to study in Xavier's College because I'm going to give you all the information that you need. First thing, exam dates kabhi hai, exam mode kya hai, also the application fees and the other important details that you need to know about the Xavier's entrance exam ki kaun se courses ke liye aapko ye mandatory dena hai. So make sure guys that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. So first thing, if you're wondering कि ये link कहाँ से मिलेगी, description box में link मिल जाएगी आपको because ये page पे जाके आपको register करना है. Now for which courses that you have to give this entrance exam of Xavier's, not for BA, BCom or regular BSc, clearly mentioned BCom in Management Studies, earlier known as BMS. So they are offering BCom Management Studies, not BMS. Second is your BSc IT and third is your BMM, which is in Xavier's known as BA MCJ course. So ये तीन course के लिए ही आपको entrance exam देने हैं for UG. There is no entrance exam for BAF because students were concerned कि क्या ये साल BAF के लिए exam हो जाएगा. So नहीं होगा. Now talking about XCT का syllabus क्या होगा, in detail कैसे prepare करना है, I'll keep you guys posted with that. But this is the registration for the entrance exam which will be open till 5th of May. So if you are serious and want to study in Xavier's any of these three courses, 5 May के पहले registration कर लेना. From today you have 1 month to register. So आराम से करो, first come first basis पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Now the most important thing is when are the exams. Now exam dates for the students pan India, not for the Mumbai students. जो मुंबई के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए अलग डेट है और apart from मुंबई जो बच्चे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं Xavier's के लिए उनकी जो डेट्स है वो है 10th and 11th of May. क्या ये आपके कोई और एग्जाम के साथ क्लैश होगी? अगर 10 तारीख को क्लैश हो रही है तो प्लीज इन्फॉर्म कर देना कॉलेज को वाया द मेल. आपका रीस्केड्यूल हो जाएगा 11th को, दैट इज द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी. एंड XCT जो है Xavier's एंट्रेंस टेस्ट फॉर UG आपको सेंटर पे जाके देना होता है. तो एज यू कैन सी ऑन द नोटिस इनके 9 सेंटर लगते हैं ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया. वहां पे ये डेट्स हैं 10th एंड 11th ऑफ मे को आपको जाके एग्जाम देना है, सेंटर पे जाके देना है, घर से नहीं. एंड ऑनलाइन फॉर्मेट है, MCQs ही है. देयर इज नो इंटरव्यू or there is no written test as such. It is MCQs based only. Now talking about the application fees, which is really a concerning point because इनका जो application fees है बहुत ज़्यादा है. 3,000 रुपये application fees है for BMM and BCom Management Studies course के लिए. और रही बात BSc IT के बच्चों के लिए, उनके लिए application fees is 2,000 rupees. Now coming to the important notice जो कि Xavier's College ने डाली है, the students who are thinking कि क्या flexible attendance है, इन्होंने clearly यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 75% attendance in any of the course mandatory है. lectures आपको बैठना ही है 75% और उसके चलते अगर आप D-bar होते हो या fail होते हो so college is not responsible. So ये जो notice है इसकी link भी मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. As you can see on my screen, this notice talks about your 75% attendance mandatory in the college और जब भी आप ये undertaking sign करते हो so you make it clear that yes you abide by what the college is saying. Also for the students who are NRI, OCI, international students, उनके लिए आपको जाना है muadmissiondesk.org. Your application process is not the same as Indian students, so they will be giving XCT. आपको देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if you need NRI consultation, if you need my help, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number. And yes guys, if you want to get in touch with me for one-on-one counseling session regarding the course, regarding admissions or anything, you guys can get in touch on this WhatsApp number. So for courses in India and the application process that I personally do the counseling session for you guys, but for NRI and admission and holding we have a separate team altogether. For all the new user, those who are applying fresh, आपको register करके अपना एक login बनाना है और पूरा process follow करना है. And students who have given XCT last year और repeat कर रहे हो तो आप अपने previous credential का login use करके फिर से login कर सकते हैं. I hope guys the video was informative. Make sure that you stay tuned to the channel, subscribe कर लो, Instagram पे follow कर लो so that I can give you all the important information coming in regarding Xavier's admission or overall Mumbai University admission, important courses, everything. So to get all the important information, make sure that you subscribe and share this video with all your friends who need it. If there's any question, you can ask us in the comment box below or join us live at 9 PM on Wednesdays and Friday. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos. videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.